Hey doc, I have this really weird sound that I can't control that comes out.
Those are called hiccups. Not to worry, they're completely
Oh,
harmless.
that's good to know, but they're really quite annoying. Is there any way I can stop
Yes,
it?
there are a number of ways you could try to stop hiccups. You can breathe in deeply and hold your breath. You can eat lemon, sugar, vinegar.
I thought we couldn't call them that anymore.
What?
Nothing.
You can also try psychology. Hiccup for me right now. And the remedy I prescribe my patients most often is I tell them to put a plastic bag over the head and breathe for a minute.
Or is you're supposed to breathe into a paper bag for a minute? Well, it's good to know that there's so many remedies. Do any of them actually work?
No.
Hey Sandra, I'm gonna need you to double check we're up to date on our malpractice insurance.